So guys, today we are going to do another video on a simple program about square root of numbers. Actually, it's a very simple program, but many of us do not know how to do this kind of program. But trust me, it's simpler than ABC, simpler than the program concerning summation of numbers. So let's get started. Okay, let's create a new file. Okay, right here, create a new file. New file. Then this is file. Okay, let's start straight away with the coding. Include using the same coding every day. stdio.h. Okay, this is okay. Let's use void main. Okay, we can decide to use this other header so that the work could look so much precise and simple to use. So it's another include conio.h void main. You must put brackets over here. Then okay, opening brackets. So from here we will have a number from the user so that we can get the square root out of this program. So this number must be input by the user. Okay, so that means that we must take the user input from this program, from when we are writing this program. So that means that we have an integer. That means that you write int, choose any character, maybe d, int d, and also the answer that we are expecting must be in a float form. I know you understand when I say float form, that means a decimal point. So float maybe z. Okay, so let's take the user input. Printf is already defined in stdio.h, standard input output. So printf. Okay, so enter any number. This is the best way to put. Okay, let's finish with this. Then scanf. This tells the address of this number that you're inputting. Okay, so it's percentage %d because the number that we're entering is in int form, so that means that we'll use d. Then this is the address of this number, d. Okay, then after this, let's give this this program a logic, just a logic. So as long as we are finding the square root of this number, that means that z, which will be the answer, always a character starts, z will be equal to, use sqrt, square root of what? It's a square root of d. That's simple. So this is the only trick that is found in this program, sqrt bracket d. So that means that z is the square root of d. So what do we want to see? We want this program to print on the screen that the square root of this number is this. So this is the identifier. Percentage d is the identifier for one integer, and percentage f for any float number. So that means that after this we must define that this is respectively for d and for z. This helps the computer to understand what it means by pointer d and f also. So that means that after this we used the header include and conio.h. So that means that we must finish with get character bracket. They go together because they are already defined. So after this we will just kind of compile it and check if there is any kind of a mistake that we made. Okay, just write square root dot c. Just choose it, make sure it's a C source file, square root dot c. Okay, then after that save it. Yes, you can replace it. Okay, it shows no error. Okay, let's compile and run it. Okay, so enter any number. Let's enter 3. It will tell you that the square root of 3 is 1.73051. You can even use a calculator to prove this, and likewise you can even enter large numbers like 2500. Okay, 2500, it tells us that the square root of this number is 50, and it's true for all numbers. So guys, that was the today's program. Is simple as such, but many people weren't aware of it, so that means that at the end of this session you must be understanding about the program to find the square root of numbers. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.